Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, a tip for you, the wedding professional. Oftentimes we get flowers in and there'll be a blossom that's broken. Nothing wrong with it, but the stem is broken. We need them for body flowers, so saving them is always important for profitability. But they get lost down in the bottom of a bucket, buried in a vase, waterlogged. The easiest way is to save them in a home ice cube tray. Yes, just like you make ice cubes. Fill it with water, then take each bloom, give it a cut, and set it right in place. By placing them in individual little cubes, they're separated, they don't get waterlogged, they're protected. You can easily see what you have to work with. It's the perfect way for a wedding professional to keep track of their inventory.